parang documented
Yeah,
po.
good.
Apo. Good morning po. I'm Hazel Paloso.
Yes, good morning, Hazel. How are you?
I'm okay. Ayun po, can you start po?
Yes, sure.
Bago po kayo tumakbo sa isang prominenteng posisyon, specifically senator, no, you have to have your own political advertisement. As for you, first question, based on the 2007 election, what is the advocacy, or what was the advocacy that you presented in your political advertisement?
Okay. My advocacy in the political ad that we put was a continuation of the mission of Senator Olroco, who also was Secretary of Education. And therefore, the main thrust is education. Because we believe, I believe too, that it is only through education that we can really progress faster, and also together with health, we will be able to wipe out poverty, which is our main problem.
Pertinent to this po, no, among all the senatorial candidates, what do you think was your unique selling proposition or your USP in your poll ad?
Well, maybe the way it was presented, it didn't look too expensive because we used already some of the ads that Raul Roco used when he ran in 2004 for president. So it was like